ReadSpeaker speakUp is a small piece of software for your Windows computer, and it reads any text aloud, even by hovering over the words. I'll show you how to use it. So I've got a shortcut at the bottom of my screen. I'm just going to click on it to open the toolbar.
Stop. Point and read.
The reason that the lady is speaking now is because I've got the point and read option clicked. That's why there's a green dot there. If I have that clicked, anything my mouse hovers over, it will read.
Desktop, Kindle, text aid exam mode, demo toolkit.
So if I'd like to change the voice, I click on settings and click on the drop down under voice. Then you can see which voices you've got downloaded and change it there. So I can change it to Alice. I can speed up, slow down the voice here, and then listen to how it sounds.
Hello, my name is Alice.
So to have something read in a Word document, all I have to do is select with my mouse the text, click play.
Working with exam account in text aids exam mode.
So there we are, it's reading with the highlighting to help you follow. You can also do this in other documents. It's particularly useful during exams. I will open my Adobe, and here I have 2 exam papers that I've just opened up. So just the same, to have it read, here's my exam paper. I can have question read. So let's find question, select it, click play.
What does power input mean?
It opens in a box and reads with highlighting. I can do the same with a Welsh paper. So here's a Welsh paper, of course, change the voice so it is reading correctly in Welsh. Now, just the same, select and play.
Mae 6 darn darllen ar y thema gwres yn y deunydd darllen sydd ar wahân.
Okay, so it will read in different languages as long as you've got those voices installed into your speakUp. So that's ReadSpeaker speakUp. A really useful little piece of software for your Windows computer that reads any text. To find out more, you can email me, mary.wilcox@aventido.com.